In today's video, I'll be utilizing AI-powered script editing to create a faceless YouTube video. To craft the script, I'll be relying on ChatGPT. If you're unfamiliar with ChatGPT, it's extremely user-friendly. Simply ask it to generate a script for your desired YouTube concept. For this demonstration, I asked ChatGPT to write a complete 5-minute script about the top destinations for solo travel. As you can see, ChatGPT is doing a great job. It's time to write the complete script for our YouTube channel. Creating a channel without a face can be quite time-consuming, but we're in luck because we have a tool that will help us speed up the process. ChatGPT has taken care of it and written the entire linked script for us. The script begins with a warm welcome to our video on the top safe destinations for solo travelers. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or just starting out, are you a solo traveler or considering taking your first solo trip? The thought of traveling alone may seem intimidating. But don't worry, there are plenty of amazing destinations perfect for solo travelers, such as Japan, Thailand, Iceland, and more. If you'd like more information on any of these destinations, simply copy the relevant section, paste it here, and ask ChatGPT to expand it for you. ChatGPT will happily provide additional details. As you can see, expanding your content is a breeze with ChatGPT. You have the freedom to add as much content as you desire, and easily remove anything that doesn't fit your video. Let's take this paragraph for example. We can copy it and then head back to our script to discuss Iceland. Simply paste it in and, voila, you have a detailed and extensive script. With ChatGPT, you can achieve this level of depth in any part of your script. So, if you're looking to expand the Japan section, just paste it in here. And as you can see, our ChatGPT will take care of expanding that paragraph for you. I've noticed that when you request ChatGPT to generate a full-length YouTube script or blog post in one go, the content isn't as long as you'd like it to be. However, if you break it down and ask ChatGPT to generate 2 separate sections or expand specific parts of the original content, you'll end up with much more substantial pieces of content once you've fleshed out your YouTube script and are satisfied with the final product. The next move is to duplicate the script and check out Pictory. Pictory is going to be the platform we'll utilize to transform our script into a video. In my opinion, it's one of the top script-to-video tools available, and they've made it simple and straightforward to use. If you'd like to give it a shot, there's a link in the description for a complimentary trial of Pictory. Once you're on Pictory, there are a few options to convert your content into videos. You can do article to video, text-based video editing, or even visual to video. For this example, let's use the script to video template to get started. Go ahead, click Proceed, and enter the name of your video. Next up, this is where you'll paste the complete script for your YouTube video. I've already entered the script onto a Google Doc, so I'll copy it over and paste it onto Pictory. This way, we'll see the character count and do a spell check too. After you've pasted your script, you're ready to move on to the next step, choosing your video style. Pictory presents a broad selection of video formats, including animated, live action, and whiteboard. Let's say we've chosen the animated format as an example. With Pictory, you have the ability to completely personalize your video to align with your company's look and feel. After selecting your desired format, you can move on to the next step, which involves incorporating music and sound effects. Pictory has a vast library of royalty-free music and sound effects available for you to choose from. But if you prefer using your own music or sound effects, you can easily upload them. After adding the music and sound effects, you can preview your video and make any final adjustments before exporting it. Exporting your video is a simple process. Once you've exported your video, you can easily upload it to YouTube or any other video platform of your choice. To sum it up, ChatGPT is a fantastic tool for crafting compelling scripts for YouTube videos and other types of content. With Pictory, turning your script into a video is a snap. Whether you're a solo creator or part of a bigger team, using ChatGPT and Pictory can save you a lot of time and effort in making high-quality videos for your YouTube channel. So, give it a shot and see how it can help you produce more engaging and professional videos for your channel. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and stay tuned for more exciting content.